So today we are going to do Leetcode daily challenge, unique number of occurrences. So let us first read this question, then about constraint, then finally the coding part for the same. So given an array of integer array, return true if number of occurrences of each value in the array is unique or false otherwise. And as we can see, it is easy level question. So surely brute force will work here. And even if you see constraints, so also brute force can easily work here. Now here, as per the first example, here we are required to return true if number of occurrences of each value in the array is unique. Means if a particular number occurs one time, then another number occurs two times, then there is one another number which occurs three times. All three numbers which are there, all of them have unique number of occurrences, right? One, two, three. This number is unique. Basically, we need to check that whatever numbers are present, their frequency which is there, that should be unique. So if it is unique, then we will be returning true, else we'll return false. As you can see here, number of occurrences of these particular two number is 1 1, right? And it is not unique. So that's why we are returning false. And same goes here if we see all the numbers have different occurrences. If we see this minus 3 occurs 3 times, 0 occurs 2 times, 1 occurs 4 times, 10 occurs 1 time, right? So in that context, we are returning true. So in this case, what we can do, the thing is that by using some space, we can calculate frequency of each number. And for that frequency, we need to check if all those frequencies are unique or not. So in that manner, we can easily go ahead and complete the solution. So you can either pause the video and code it by yourself, or you can resume the video and check how we are required to code. So here, now the point is that first thing first unordered map which I'm taking is for the count, means each number's frequency, and then I'm taking the set so that I can store the occurrences which are there in that set. So first I'm taking the count for the same, and then in that count I will insert the number of occurrences which are there, and then at the end what I'll be doing, I'll just check for the size of that particular set and the count, basically this unordered set and the count. If both of the size are same, that simply means that occurrences are unique, because see in that unordered set all the duplicate would be removed, right? Only the unique ones will remain there, right? So because of that, size difference could be there if there are any duplicate. So that is how the thing would be. So as you can see, this is order of n and this is also order of n, right? So overall time complexity is order of n. And regarding space, you can clearly see we are using this, so that's why space complexity is order of n. So this was all for this particular video. If you have any doubt, you could comment that down. And if you really like the explanation, you can like, subscribe, and share this video among your friends. So this was all. Thank you.